Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify open listings with Century 21 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify open listings with Century 21, start by logging into your Century 21 account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Listings tab in the main menu. Click on the Listings tab to open the Listings section. In the Listings section, find the filter options to narrow your search. Select Open Listings from the Filter drop-down. This will display all the open listings currently available. Take note of the property details you want to verify. Click on a specific listing to view more information. Verify the listing's status, price, and property details. Check the listing photos to ensure they are up to date. Look for any recent changes in the property's description. If you need to cross-check information, open another tab with your local MLS. Search for the same property in the MLS to confirm details. Compare the information from the Century 21 listing with the MLS data. If discrepancies are found, note them for further investigation. Once verification is complete, return to the Century 21 listings page. Continue verifying any additional open listings as needed. Make sure to log out of your account when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.